8th grade, Unit 1, Lesson 10, Composing Figures. Number 1. Here is the design for the flag of Trinidad and Tobago. Describe a sequence of translations, rotations, and reflections that take the lower left triangle to the upper right triangle. A rotation of 180 degrees around the center point of the flag would take you from the triangle on the lower left to the triangle on the upper right. Number 2. Here is a picture of an older version of the flag of Great Britain. There is a rigid transformation that takes triangle 1 to triangle 2, another that takes triangle 1 to triangle 3, and another that takes triangle 1 to triangle 4. A. Measure the lengths of the sides in triangle 1 and 2. What do you notice? Triangles 1 and 2 have equal side lengths. B. What are the side lengths of triangle 3? Explain how you know. Triangle 3 has the same side lengths as triangle 1 because a rigid transformation occurred, taking triangle 1 to triangle 3. C. Do all 8 triangles in the flag have the same area? Explain how you know. No, there are 4 larger triangles that would have larger areas than the smaller triangles. Number 4. A. Which of the lines in the picture is parallel to line L? Explain how you know. K is parallel to line L. These 2 lines would never intersect, no matter how far they extend. B. Explain how to translate, rotate, or reflect line L to obtain line K. Translating line L would obtain line K. C. Explain how to translate, rotate, or reflect line L to obtain line P. Rotating line L would obtain line P. Number 4. Point A has coordinates 3 and 4. After a translation 4 units left, a reflection across the x-axis, and a translation 2 units down, what are the coordinates of the image? I'm going to start by making a grid with an x-axis and a y-axis. Next, I'm going to place the point at coordinates 3 and 4, or 3 units to the right and 4 units up. The first thing that they asked me to do was a translation 4 units to the left. That means I need to move this point 4 units to the left. There's the new location of the point. Next, they asked to do a reflection across the x-axis. The x-axis is the horizontal axis. It runs left and right. The y-axis is the vertical axis. It runs up and down. So they're asking us to do a reflection across the x-axis. Right now the point is 4 units above the x-axis. We need to put the point as a reflection 4 units below the x-axis. Here's the new location of the point after the reflection across the x-axis. The last step that they're asking us to do is a translation 2 units down. So we need to move the point 2 units down along the y-axis. Here's the final location of the point after all the moves. The coordinates are -1 and -6. At the end they ask, what are the coordinates of the image? -1 and -6 are the coordinates of the point's new location. Number 5. Here is triangle XYZ. Draw these 3 rotations of triangle XYZ together. A. Rotate triangle XYZ 90 degrees clockwise around Z. I put this triangle on graph paper. This black triangle represents the original triangle XYZ. The green triangle represents triangle XYZ after a rotation of 90 degrees. B. Rotate triangle XYZ 180 degrees around Z. I'll draw all the rotations individually first, and then at the end I'll put them all together. The blue triangle represents triangle XYZ after a rotation of 180 degrees. C. Rotate triangle XYZ 270 degrees clockwise around Z. Again, the black triangle represents triangle XYZ. The purple triangle represents triangle XYZ after a 270 degree clockwise rotation around Z. They did ask to draw these three rotations of triangle XYZ together, so now I'll put them all together.